Fáilte roimh go fáil mí mis Gaeilge. Welcome back to Let's Learn Irish. Leibhéal A1 topic a héandéamh Rannóg Costas Cuid hAon ag díriú ar bheith ag Labhairt. Level A1 topic 11 section 7 cost part 1 focusing on speaking. Lemúna ag frí faoi chostas agus ólas a thabhairt faoi chostas, asking about the cost and giving information about the cost of an item. Seo nó sin, this or that. Is mailm an gceansaí seo. I like this sweater. Agus an gceansaí sin, and that sweater. Is bralum an coat seo. I like this coat, or I love this coat. Agus an coat sin, and that coat. Léigi an leabhar seo. Read this book. Agus an leabhar sin, and that book. Féachigí ar an pictiúr seo, agus ar an pictiúr sin, agus a ráile. So, look at this picture and that picture, and so on. Agus a ráile means etc. So, seo equals this, and sin equals that. Seo nó sin. Is bralum an tíléine seo, agus an bríste seo. I like this shirt and these pants. Agus is mailm an tíléine sin, agus an bríste sin. And I like that t-shirt and pants. Ceacha ceann is maile. Which one do you like? An ceann seo? An ceann sin. Ceacha ceann is maile. Which one do you like? Déan cleachta an cheist a chur ormsa, trí bhéir a dhíriú a rudaí gardit agus rudaí a bhfad uait. So practice asking me the question by pointing your finger at something close to you and something away from you. So, cé a cu, ceacha is pronounced ceacha. Which one? Cé a cu ceann. Which one? Ceacha ceann is maileat. Ceacha ceann is maileat. Ceacha ceann is maileat. An euro, the euro. Déan hamid achleachta ar chomhaireamh ó euro amháin go 10 euro, mór a clúdaíoch I dtopic an lí bia agus deochanna. We will rehearse counting from 1 euro to 10 euro as covered in topic 9, food and drink. Nochtig mé na himhreacha agus an folklore iver iver. I will reveal the numbers and the vocabulary one by one, or number by number. Deirg mé amach iad agus aber I dhéag. I will say them out loud and repeat after me. An euro. Euro amháin. Rá euro. 3 euro. 4 euro. 5 euro. 6 euro. 7 euro. 8 euro. 9 euro. €10. €10. €20. €30. €40. €50. €60. €70. €80. €90. €100. Agus anois I dhéanaar, and now on your own. Euro ar lean, Euro continued. Nochtig mé na hifricha ceann ar ceann. I will unveil the numbers one by one. Aber an folklore ceart gach uair. Say the correct number each time. €30. €100. €60. €10. €90. €8. €10. €20. €7. €50. Bán airgid, coins. Euro amháin. Aber é, say it, Euro amháin. €10. €10. Pingin. Pingin. 10 cent. 10 cent. 5 cent. 5 cent. 50 cent. 50 cent. 50 cent. 50 cent. €2. Euro 1, 50 cent. Sin, €3, 50 cent. So €2, €1, 50 cents, €3, 50 cent, €3, 50 cents. 50 cent, 50 cent, 50 cent, 5 cent, half cent, pingin, agus pingin ella, and another penny. 99 cent, 99 cents, 99 cent. So we have 50, 70, 95, 6, 7, 8, 9. 99 cent, 95 cents. Cead, how much? Cead, cead. Cead atá ar sin. How much is that? Cead atá ar sin. Repeat after me. Cead atá ar sin. Cead atá ar sin. Cead atá ar chopán cafe. How much is a cup of coffee? Cead atá ar chopán cafe. Cead atá ar chopán cafe. I'll have you repeat them after me, and then you'll have an opportunity to read them by yourself. 10 cent. 25 cent. 32 cent. 49 cent. 50 cent. 60 cent. 73 cent. 88 cent. And now on your own. Cead, how much? Nochtig mé na hifricha ceann ar cheann. I will unveil the numbers one by one. Aber an dhéad ceart gach uair. Say the right amount each time. €50 nócha cent. €100 28, or €128. €50 50 cent. €37. €62 10 cent. €75 50 cent. €8 seasca. Agus uair ella one more time, cead. As you'll notice, just like in English, sometimes we say cent, sometimes we don't. It's like €10 55 cent, €10 55. So we'll go through them one more time and you can say the amount out loud. Like an bhfuilteog Costas Éadaí uait don gníomhaíocht seo, you'll need a handout, the cost of clothing for this activity. There's a link in the description box below to the handouts and the notes. Costas Éadaí, clothing costs. Déan cleachta ceistin a chur agus a ragart faoi céad atá ar na hAodaí. So practice asking and answering questions about how much the clothes are. Mar hampla, for example, céad atá ar bhríste, how much are trousers or how much are pants? €50, céad atá ar bhróga, how much are shoes? €55, €55. So if you have a study buddy or a partner, you can practice taking turns. If not, just practice asking yourself how much is each item. Don't forget, céad atá ar bhróga, céad atá ar bhríste. Ar is going to put a séimhiú on the noun following it. Buin úsáid as an Teastas Eorpach nuair a bheidh an cheist á chur agat. Use the vocative case when you're asking the question. Mar hampla, a mhaire céad atá ar na bróga. Moira or Mary, how much are the shoes? A hAon, céad atá ar an tíléine sin. How much is that t-shirt? So if you remember correctly, the vocative case or the Teastas Eorpach, we slenderize the masculine nouns and we put in a séimhiú. Céad atá ar dhúna. €65 nócha. Céad atá ar tíléine. €9 49 cent. Céad atá ar bhríste. €2.85. Cé bhéad atá ar lean, cé bhéad atá ar continued, cé bhéad atá ar bhróga. €49.68. Cé bhéad atá ar bhróga. €8.52. Cé bhéad atá ar stochaí. €6.99. Cé bhéad atá ar sciorta. €3.27. Cé bhéad atá ar gheamsaí. €23.68. Cé bhéad atá ar hata. €7.73. Agus anois, racham iad siar ar na hadaíochtaí, and now we'll go back over the adjectives describing the cost of clothing. Róghar, too expensive. On there, very expensive. There, expensive. Réasúnta, reasonable. Sléir, inexpensive or cheap. An saoir, very cheap or very inexpensive. Róghar, too cheap, too inexpensive. Róghar. Féach ar an scála seo a leannas agus líon isteach é leis na nahanna cuí ón lista adíochtaí. So look at the scale below and fill it in with the correct adjectives from the list. So €10, €20, €50, €100 agus €50. Agus anois na freagraí, and now the answers. Idro van an scala at the end of the scale, €10, róghar, too cheap. Either €10 agus €20, between 10 and 20, an saoir, very cheap. Either €20 agus 50, saoir. €50, réasúnta, reasonable. Either 50 agus €100, there, expensive. Either 100 agus 50 euro, on there. Agus níos mó ná 50 euro, be more than 500 euro, róghar, too expensive. Agus sin deire le Rannóg Costas Cuid hAon, and that's the end of section 7 part 1, cost. Ag fí Costas agus ólas de thuairt faoi Costas, asking about and giving information about the cost. Tá na nótaí agus bilóga oibre le fáil in éineacht le cóid fuaimne agus nasca na Quizlet, suíomh lús cartaí. The lecture notes and worksheets to accompany the course, along with the MP3 files and Quizlet links, this is a flashcard website, are available. The original files are available to download at Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge, teg.ie, or edited versions can be found at my website, simplyjacinta.com. Direct link is in the description box below. Míle buíochas do Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge as cead a thuairt dom úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil ar a suíomh. Many thanks to Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge for their information to use, the learning materials and resources that are available on their website. Tásúlgam gur bhain sibh tanna bhas. I hope you enjoyed it and got some use out of it. If you did, like and subscribe and share with your friends who may be interested in learning Irish.